Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming both the AirPods Pro case and earbuds have minimal battery, otherwise wireless charging may not engage. Once done, set a Qi-certified or MagSafe-compatible charger on a flat surface and center the case so the status light faces upward. You want direct alignment because the case only charges when the internal coil aligns with the pad. Make sure there's no thick case cover or debris between surfaces, since that can block charging and cause intermittent contacts. Once the case is sitting on the charger, check the status light to confirm the process. Amber means charging, green means full. If you're using MagSafe, feel the magnetic snap to ensure coil alignment. That physical click significantly improves charging reliability. Leave the lid closed so the case enters its normal charging state and avoid moving it during the first few minutes to let current stabilize. If the light doesn't show, recenter the case and try again, because alignment is the usual culprit. You finish by removing the case when the status light turns green or after about 1 hour for a partial top-up. That prevents unnecessary heat buildup. If it never charges, open the lid, press and hold the setup button for 15 seconds to reset connection logic, then try realigning on the pad. This clears firmware hiccups. If problems persist, verify the charger and cable deliver power by testing another device, because most failures trace back to faulty chargers or poor alignment rather than.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.